Hey everybody, it's Gary the Google Guy here with a new update in regards to your working location use here in Google Calendar. Now, you've had the option before to be able to set this up in your settings, and I'll show you where that is in just a moment. But I want to show you a new and a quicker way to update maybe where you're working from. If you hover your cursor just below the date or the day, you'll see an option that will be color-coded accordingly with your calendar to be able to click on Add Location. It will pull up a new dialog box, and in this dialog box, it will allow you to choose your location, home, office, and what is new is other locations. So you can say another office, another location, unspecified, and somewhere else if you want to do something like that. Now, if you want to set this up, you can do this in your main settings. Now, just as a quick tip as well, if you are managing someone else's calendar, for example, to the left, I have my coworker, boss, supervisor. You can also turn their calendar on and you'll see the option to manage their location as well as your own. Now, if you'd like to set this thing up, you can go to your settings. To the left of the screen, you will see an option to set up your working hours and location. Click on Enable, pick the days that you typically work, and then underneath each you'll have an option to set up your working hours even if there's a split shift type of a schedule. And then to the right you can set your working location up and even copy it to all if there's going to be something that's going to be routine. You'll also have the option just below this to set up your main office building so maybe someone knows where your home base is. So with that, just wanted to give you the quick heads up on how you can either set this up on an everyday type of basis, or if you're like me, I typically work from home, so every now and then I need to change the game up a little bit, and you can do that underneath the date in the main screen. Until we meet again, another day, another time, another tip, trick, hack, or in this case, an update, this is Gary the Google Guy, signing off.